Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. And this session, we are going to find out some potential currency pair on how to live trade Forex today, the 22nd of July. Right. So yes, thank you for coming back, Hubert. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Flora, Carol, yes, Piano, Roger. Yeah, wow, Ferdinand, Fernando, sorry, Fernando. Yes, you're early. All right, good morning to you. Okay, so hi, Yao Liu Pa. Well, thank you so much for coming in. And Adam, Bradley, Trinette, yes, Hao. All right, so thank you for coming in. And now, okay, we are now coming into this session. All right, to our analyzing work. All right. Hi, Ali. Nice to see you here, Ali. Where are you from, Ali? All right. So yes, this session will be my analyzing stage. Okay. So to pick up the currency pairs, so that later on, I will in the UK hour I will come again in the live streaming to live trade together. Right. Somalia. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Ah, right. Nice place. Okay. I forgotten, maybe. Okay, so yeah, we have quite a number of from Somalia. Yeah. All right. Okay. Anyway, let's start. Can I have my MT4, please? Okay. So yesterday we have a very smooth live streaming without any breaking of the sound. I hope today we're having the same. Okay, so yep, once again, all right. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's go on and let's take a look. What do we have? So first of all, let me pick up all the currency pairs first. Okay. For Aussie CAD, let me analyze out for Aussie CAD over here. Aussie CAD from here, we can see that it's actually in the downward trend. After it hits the support here, once again, it hits the support over here and it started to retrace upward. Okay, will there be a chance for like today that it's going to retrace downward to retest once again? Let's check. Okay, so at the moment, for Aussie CAD, I will see that now it's already started to go into a bull. All right, it's going into a bull. So tentatively, although in the general trend over here, it seems like it's a downward trend, but along the way from here, as we go down, it seems like a downward trend over here. But we often, most often, that we will actually neglect where is the reversal. Am I right? So currently, I'm looking at Aussie CAD. This is the reversal right now. This part here. So tentatively, as we can see, higher support, and now going to form up another higher support. So tentatively, it's good to buy, not to sell. So I'm a seller. I have to stay away. All right. Okay. So Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc here. Are we also in the bear? Now it went into my bull zone. So over at this point here is also at the running at the bull. So running in the bull, so I'm not going to sell here. Okay, so any selling is, for me right now, is also a pullback. So I will not be selling. I'll be waiting for the pullback and set up a new support. Then I will start buying. Right? Okay. So yep, that's for Aussie franc. Yep. So good for buying, not for selling. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen, tentatively looking at this, we are still in the bull, so definitely no for selling, but for buyer, yes, you can take a look. All right. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, we are also in the bull. We are still running in the bull. So buyers can take note of this bull whereby there's a resistance up here. Okay, we can take a look at this point here. So looking at this space here, you have 53 pips. So around that, so you can still buy. Okay, keep the profit within this area. Okay, all right. So yep, let's go again in Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar over here. Well, once again, it's having a selling down. Correct. So selling down all the way, right, for Aussie dollar. So currently, we are actually going into the bull. So tentatively buying is still good. All right, buying is still good. Well, I think for dollar pairs, okay, we just need to take note because of next week, 27th of July in US time. Okay, so which will be in well, some region will be on the 28th. All right, so in the morning of 28th. So there may be a change. There may be a change of the trend because of the interest rate. Okay, so currently, as we can see, okay, is in the bull. So at this moment, I won't be selling Aussie dollar. All right, but for buyers, yes, buyers, you can take note to buy Aussie dollar. All right. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look. Euro Aussie. Yes, yesterday we are talking about selling, and today we are coming back in. We are very near coming back into selling. So still looking good for Euro Aussie to sell. However, we are very near to the support. Am I right? Okay, over here. So at this point here, the support is actually pretty near. We are just merely away about 60, and we are in the middle to the resistance about 58. So it's right in the middle. So likely, okay, if I'm going to sell this, all right, how am I going to sell this? For Euro Aussie, I'll be looking out for things like this, okay, a new selling cycle. Like example, now, okay, now there's a new selling cycle coming soon. So we can look out for selling for Euro Aussie for such a situation. Okay, so currently still looking good, all right. So yeah, I'm going to put Euro Aussie into my selling list. Okay, my watch list, Euro Aussie. Okay, next one to go, EuroCAD. Yes, EuroCAD. EuroCAD over here. Yes, we are still in the selling mode. All right, that's pretty good. And now let's take a look. Where are we going to sell? How are we going to sell? All right. So over at EuroCAD over here, if I'm going to sell, first of all, we are very near to the support. So I need to break this support first. Break the support here, then I will be able to sell. So we are merely about 18-20 pips away. So be patient to wait for it to break the support. Okay, then with a new resistance below, after it retests the support as a resistance, then we sell. Okay, all right. So yes, that's right. Okay, so EuroCAD. Okay, hi Sabrina, nice to see you here. Okay, so yep, let's move again to Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen. Okay, over here, Euro Yen. Euro Yen, we are in the bull, correct? We are right now looking at this higher support, higher support, higher support. So right now we are going to have a pullback here. So are we going to trade on the pullback? It looks good because it met up with a resistance and got rejected yesterday. And Euro Yen over here, it meet up with a resistance up here. Okay, and this is one here. Okay, I hope my sound is okay, right? If there's any breaking sound, guys, do let me know, all right? So that I will quickly get the guys behind the scene to fix it up, all right? Okay, so yeah, because for the past few days we have a lot of sound breaking out. So yeah, so I hope hopefully that it was still going very smoothly. Okay, right? Thank you so much. Okay, so. Okay, so we are now looking at Euro Yen. Okay, after breaking this, after testing this resistance, and now coming back for a retracement, a pullback here. All right, and now we are on the support. Am I right? We are on the support over here. So at this point here, if I want to continue the selling, which I see we still have the pullback should comes about into this area about 100 over pips that are likely to sell. The pullback is quite a big one. So if I want to sell this, okay, so tentatively I see that there is support over here, and now the support has been the price is respecting the support level here. Then is it a good time to sell right now? Tentatively is halfway there. So if I want to sell for this Euro Yen, okay, I will prefer to wait for a little while. In H1, I want to see a new selling cycle. Okay, example like this, like this, like this. Okay, then I will do a selling. At this point here, I will do a scalping. Okay, at this point here, I will do a scalping here. All right. So let's see if this actually break the level here, then forget about selling. Okay, because this is a pullback. Okay, this is a pullback trading. Okay. So yeah, I will, let's take a look, confirm. Okay, are we going to put this into our selling list? Okay, guys, I think probably we will put this, okay, aside. Okay, later on we'll monitor. Okay, so then it will be much clearer. All right. Okay, so Euro Kiwi. Okay, usually I don't. Usually I put some. I put the currency pairs into my watch list, which will stand about 80% of winning rate. Okay, that will appear once there's selling signal. I will get the profit 80%. Then I will put it into my selling list. If not, usually I will not put it in. All right. Okay, so yeah, of course, there's no guarantee. Yeah, but at least I have set up some rules. Okay, for that, so that I follow my rules. Okay. All right. So for Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So tentatively, buyers can take note, but the seller please stay away. Okay. And let's move Euro Dollar. Yep, Euro Dollar. Yes, Euro Dollar after hitting on the 1:1 against the dollar, and it has actually boomed as high as 240 pips within days. So I think it is still very strong. Okay, so for today, can, like I said, okay, during at this point here, there are plenty of support. Okay, so how strong can the support push, right? How long can it hold? So tentatively today, it looks like it's coming back. All right, it looks like it's coming back. So at this point of time, we are actually looking out for this resistance level here, and support level here. Tentatively is very clear. Am I right? Okay, for Euro Dollar, if we are going to sell, all right, if we are going to sell, then we have about 450, about 45 to 50 pips to go. However, it must break the support level here. Okay, it has to break, right? So when it breaks the support level over at this point, okay, then we will see a very dramatic, a drastic drop. Okay, a drastic drop. Okay, not a dramatic move. Okay, a drastic drop. Okay, so Euro Dollar quite potential. All right, so I'm going to put Euro Dollar, but Euro Dollar, bear in mind, it must break the support level here. Okay, all right. Okay, so Pound Aussie, let's take a look. Pound Aussie actually coming back for a selling. So are we good to sell today? All right, so let's take a look. For Pound Aussie is still good to sell. And now, right now, we are having a retracement. So over at this point here, by reading out the whole situation here, we are going on the bear. Okay, we have running downwards, and here we are still on the trending. So right now, I'm still looking out for a resistance. Okay, so currently resistance right over here. So this is the resistance I'm talking about, that we may test the first one. After that, the second one here, if the first one breaks. Okay, so just take note, any point of time like this, okay, like this, we have about 30 pips away from the support. I would prefer to wait for it to pull up a little bit more, okay, a higher one. Then with a new resistance coming down, then I will start to sell. Okay, so this is for Pound Aussie, right? So I'm going to put Pound Aussie into my watch list. It looks pretty good. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's move again. Pound Cat. Yeah, Pound Cat. All right, Pound Cat over here. Well, Pound Cat today, we are in the bear, but Pound Cat, unfortunately, we are on the support. We are still on the support, as you can see yesterday. Okay, we are on the support. I've been testing, and it's actually coming as a double bottom here. So very likely, it will swing up. Okay, to retest the resistance and the high chance of breaking through. So today I'm not going to take a look at Pound Cat, right? Okay, so Pound Franc. Pound cat, is it good for buying? No, actually not really yet. Okay, so maybe on the second half of the day, that may be giving us a better signal to buy. All right. Okay, so pound franc over here, pound franc, definitely I'm going to stay away. Although it looks like it's the bear, but in this area, can you see that this area seems like a consolidation? So it may go either way. Am I right? So tentatively stay away from here. All right. Okay, so next to go. Pound yen. Pound yen. Well, pound yen. Weeks ago, months ago, it seems like my favorite pairs. I've been watching pound yen for so long. Am I right? Okay, but today, is it still my favorite? My pet? No, not really. Because overall, over here, as you can see, we are setting up a higher support, a higher low, higher low, higher low. Correct? So we are moving on the move to the moon. So tentatively, as we can see, it's respecting the support level here. Now, for pound yen, it's very similar to euro yen. It looks like it's going to have a pullback. Okay, it's going to have a pullback when you reach this level, right? When you reach this level, it's highly likely the pullback may come. But again, will it be good for us to focus on this? Well, I think we will put it into a monitoring. Okay, so later on we'll take a look. Okay, if there's a chance for a pullback selling, okay, I will scalp it. All right, if not, then I will just let it go, continue the buying. So buyers, you also have to monitor. Okay, you have to monitor. Right now, you can see, wow, for the past 12 hours, it has actually escalating up for about 50 pips. But then again, it is not that ideal as you think, because if you're going to enter now, you are actually into a high price and you are chasing. Okay, so don't let FOMO take over you. All right. Okay, so let's move again to pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi has been ranging around here after it breaks into the bull area. So the bull area here, it has been ranging here. So now, are we going to sell? Highly likely, I'm not going to sell. Okay, and for buying, yes, you can take a look for buying. All right, so tentatively wait for new support. The support has already created once. Wait for the next round. Okay, then probably a buy will be good. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Well, let's take a look at pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar, right? It has like looking at the trend here, the overall trend is still on the bear, running down. Am I right? Okay, so running downwards again. Okay, and okay, by looking at H4, all right, I'm going down H4 to look out for my support. No change on the support. Okay, resistance, all right, is still up here. All right, so yeah, we are very near to the support level. Okay, if I were to sell this, okay, and we have about 23 pips away from the support. Okay, so over at this point here, as we can see, this is something that although for the past 4 days in this week, I did not put pound dollar into my selling list. But why am I still watching over pound dollar so closely? Because after the move into this week, it started to form a selling signal. Sellers are actually coming in, right? So over at this point here, right? So I will still be looking out for breaking of the support level. This area breaks here, close here, open here below the support, and I'm going to swing it. Okay, I'm going to have a good swing down. All right. So pound dollar is something that I'm taking a very close look. Okay, I'm still paying a very close look. Okay, to it. Okay, for now, if we want to sell, okay, from here, I will suggest a scalp. After that, then good. All right, then that will be good. About 100 pips. Okay, so that is after that. All right, so I'm still using this. Okay, this is my profitable area. I'm still waiting for it to come into my profitable area first. Okay, so yep, still waiting for that. So at the moment, pound dollar, I'm not going to put this into my selling list, but I will still watch over this. All right, so don't be surprised later on in the UK hour, I will still be on the pound dollar. Okay, what about dollar CAD? Okay, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD, right now we are on the support. So it seems like the dollar is getting ready for next week. Okay, yeah, that's my wild guess. Okay, anyway, all right. So this is support here. Okay, so tentatively I won't be selling at the moment because seems like over here buying is still waiting for it to break this resistance level. Then we'll continue to buy. Okay, right. So dollar franc. As for dollar franc, no as well. The support has set up, and now it also seems like it's also ready to buy. Okay, it's also ready to buy. You heard me? It's also ready to buy. Okay, all right. So at this point here, okay, as we can see, okay, dollar franc, okay, seems like it has a downward trend. Okay, it's a downward trending here. However, it pushes one support and the downward trend pushes nearer to the support, but still not breaking. Okay, so now given the situation that I will not go for a selling, but I will prefer to go for a buy at the moment. All right. Okay, so let's move again for dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Yes, dollar yen. Yesterday the index actually fluctuates, right? Okay, so we went down for yesterday. All right, and after that, you know, it was now it's still coming back again. Right, so is it still good for selling for dollar yen? No, we are still in the bull, okay, to the moon. So be very careful, okay, be extremely careful with this. Okay, so once again, that's for dollar yen. I'm going to stay away. Buyers can take note, but look out for the resistance level, which is over here, so that you can grab the profits around 70 pips. Within the 70 pips, you are still safe, okay? But it depends on where did you enter anyway. Okay, you don't enter at 69 pips here. Okay, right. So yeah, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Yes, after the news of this, actually 2 billion actually comes in and slightly help a bit, and now stagnant a little while. Right, so it's still on the 23 mark. Okay, still on the 23 mark. So at this point here, all right, we will be taking into consideration that buying another round of buying is possible. It's another round of buying is possible, which actually we are looking at about 26. Okay, but then again, all right, this is a pre-analysis for this. All right, still waiting. Okay, still waiting for the actual figures to come in. Then I think it's better that way. All right, so tentatively for this Bitcoin, I will still stay put without buying and selling. Okay, no trading now. Okay, I will just stay by the side. Right. Okay, so yeah, just take a look at this. All right. So at the moment, all right, we are actually looking at this. Okay, to answer your questions after yesterday, I ended my streaming. So buying actually comes in yesterday. Okay, the buyers comes in yesterday over at this price at 1690. Okay, which I actually plotted here. Right, 1690. So this 1690, I'm waiting for this 1690, this price to break into the 1690. If once it breaks below the 1690, we are likely to go into 1663. Okay, so this is another, yeah, this is still in tentatively by 1 day buying doesn't show that it's a real turn or it's a reversal. Not yet, okay, because as a situation we know, and the oil price, okay, and also the deal between the still waiting for the release of the more oil here. Okay, so there's a lot of things that's going to contribute to the factors of the movement over here. So currently we are still waiting for it. Okay, so just be patient. I think currently still looking for at this level for a selling. Still looking for a level of selling. All right. Okay. So yeah, that's to answer the questions from yesterday. All right. So yes, that's it for this session. Okay. Let me sum up. Okay. What do we have? Okay. Let me flash it out so that it will be clearer for you as well. Okay. So yeah, over here. Right now, we are looking at Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Dollar. pound Aussie. But I'm looking, I'm going to have a close watch at the euro yen, pound yen, and pound dollar. All right. Okay. So yes, that's all for me today, right over here. So guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel over here. All right, in this English session, and also we have another Mandarin session, right, with ACS Learning Hub KH. All right, so that's a YouTube. Okay, so and then from there, okay, we will have two sessions. All right, one in English, one in Mandarin. English will be hosted by me, and Mandarin will be hosted by KH. All right, so guys, do remember to subscribe to these two channels. Okay, according to your preference. Right, so I shall see you later on in the UK hour. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Do remember to smash the like button before I go. Right, thank you so much. See you.